Hey friends, this is Mario with Team Lake City Devils. We are currently at Realm of Terror Haunted House out in Round Lake Beach, Illinois. So let's go see what they're up to just in time for their Terror Awakening. Let's go check it out.
It's a camera.
Camera. Oh, okay.
It does
Explain.
motion pictures.
Oh, motion pictures, like videos back in Motherland of
Yes.
California. Yes. I recognize pictures.
Yes, pictures are good.
Welcome everybody to the Realm of Terror Haunted House, where all manner of good shit is done in the name of Halloween. This is the biggest dude you can find to hide behind.
Doing my best here.
Who's going first? You're the scout. You're the expendable asset.
Yes, I
They're
am.
gonna lose you behind enemy lines.
Absolutely.
Excellent. Let's get you in.
Thank you. Oh,
Show her early.
Now you'd be surprised how often that works on people who watch me do it to 6 groups in front of them.
And then expect them not to be in.
You know,
oh God.
I will feast on your souls.
Oh, we gotta go find her.
Come on, pretty lady. Bend over, boyfriend. It's a short ride.
Oh, what is that? Hi.
It's safe over here. It's totally safe. You
No.
can trust me.
Nope. I'm not gonna
Over
trust
here.
you.
Totally, just look at me. You can trust me. It's all right. Are you guys having a party?
Yeah.
Without me?
You're right here. Let's go.
You didn't invite me.
Let's go. Come on.
Come on, let's go party.
Oh, poor
I
little
genuinely
thing.
did not know if that was a person or a
Man, me
rat.
neither. Oh God. What's wrong? What's wrong?
Yeah, you got
Can I
it.
have some cookies?
No.
Share to my friend.
I know where to get some.
That lightning thunder combo was so cool. Hi. Double tap right there. God damn it. Woo.
Why am I a pig?
Yeah. I love
Why
pig.
am I a pig? Why am I a pig?
Watch out. Little birdie was sneaky.
give me your packages.
Oh my
I'm gonna
God.
get your packages, yeah? Give me them packages.
The Amazon guy. Oh,
Alright. No, stop moving. Stop moving. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Gary says hello. Say hi,
Gary.
Gary. Very good. Very good. He likes belly rub. Yeah. A little belly rub right there. Yeah.
stayed in the house nice and bloody, just like her.
That's you make it sound like it's a bad thing. It's not. That hurt. Hi, just hanging around. What are you doing? Hi. Oh my God. Look at all that floss.
Need your teeth.
No, you don't. No, you don't.
I need
They're gonna fall off on their own.
I need all of them.
Just give it a few years.
I need all of them.
I'll bring them back to you.
Come on, I need them.
No, I'm okay. I'm okay.
What about you? I don't like them. They're not pretty.
That's rude.
I don't like them.
Well, you can't have them anyway.
I got a couple cavities,
I need
but
all of them.
oh jeez.
Every single tube.
All three?
All of them.
Ah, these are dirty towels. Going around. Oh my God! Hey! No! Oh my God! Oh God, it's moving! Oh my God! Oh my God!
Oh boys!
Oh boys! Oh my God, it is blinding. Okay. Oh God, okay. All right, we're good. What? What is that? Stick! Stick!
Don't worry. We'll show you the utmost of hospitality.
Oh, thanks.
I hope you guys don't mind tight spaces. It's gonna get very tight real quick. You may have to go sideways for a portion of it. But fair warning.
That's me. He's talking about
It
me.
gets pretty tight.
What is that?
Oh no. No, 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 no. No. Hi, what's your favorite color?
Blue.
Wrong, it's puce action.
Oh, it's cute.
No way! Get out of my way, you're so rude. You always do this to me. You're always in my space.
Oh my gosh.
Just
back up.
Oh my God. Oh, this is disgusting. Ugh. Oh.
Hey, can you sign your soul away, please? I need it.
Okay.
Please sign the paper, please. Right there, sign right there, please. I need your soul. Please sign right there.
Scary
I
Mary,
can't.
Scary
Hurry.
Mary.
Sign it, please. I need it. Thank you so much. I
And-
need all of your soul, please.
Hold on.
Keep signing. Come on, I don't have all day. Come on, please. You don't know
There
what
it
to do
is.
to me. Sign the paper.
Sign the paper.
Sign it. Hurry, please. Sign the paper. I need it. Thank you so much.
Plus wine.
Stick. Wait. Two sticks. Two sticks.
Stick.
Stick. Stick. Oh God. Oh my God. What is this? A I just got chills. I feel very uneasy. Oh, shit.
Tiger Bomb, you
I'm a little lost.
Where did
Bonnie go?
yeah, whatever.
Bonnie! Oh.
Single file line, arm
Single
to the
file.
sky.
Oh, God.
Have we lost anybody?
We did.
Uh-oh.
We actually did.
That's not good.
This is so, oh my God, it's worse. So, wow, okay. Whew. No! That's so cool. Oh, that's so cool.
Someone down! They ripped them all down! This party was for you! Do you like it? Do you like it? Do you like it? It was for you! Someone ruined it!
Oh, that is so cool. Ah! Oh my God, you're smoking! You're smoking hot!
All right, that was Realm of Terror out in Round Lake Beach. Tons of energy going on through that house. I'm sure there's going to be a video somewhere up there. Stay tuned for that. Until then, stay scary.